then all will begin to see that light has prevailed once again, this nation of humanity. And we are now all forging as one unity consciousness in such a way as to behold such a light and to bring it forward into its grandness of existence. So now we, as one human functioning unity consciousness, we are united as one big family of light here now. So now it is time to come to fully understand this from within each and every one, now coexisting in this full patterning effect of what one would so best describe as its own true unique way of being in all that I am. So when all that I am fully comes to be and see this, we shall then be able to fully ascend as one full-on light unity consciousness into all the more of all that is forever possible to best experience from within and with all that coexist in such a way of being. From within all realms and specifications of what one would so call its own true exemplary effect in itself and for all that I am. And so it is. So we, as one light configuration, have now come forward and shared this grand message of love to the whole of humanity. For it is our duty to hold such a space